Hey everybody, Bart Matson here, Motorcycle USA, and we're conducting our first ever electric motorcycle comparison. First up, let's take a look at the Brammo Inertia.
The Inertia propels itself via an air-cooled brushless AC motor. The Go Juice is supplied by 76-volt lithium iron phosphate batteries from Valens Technology. The battery pack is a series of 6 modules stacked above and below the main spine of the black aluminum frame. Each of the 6 packs hold 120 independent cells, the numerous cell charge cycles controlled by a battery management system.
So one of the tricks on an electric motorcycle is it's really quiet when it operates. There's a danger of having a live throttle. You got to be really careful about that. Brammo has actually instigated a lot of steps so that you don't just have a live throttle right off the bat. Start the bike, put it into the start mode. You hold down on this computer on button, triggers the starting procedure. You get a prompt here, and it gives you a lot of warnings. If you're doing something wrong, it'll let you know. It's saying kickstand down, it gives you a warning light. So I pull the kickstand out, and there's a throttle control valve right here. If you don't have it in the off mode when you start it, it will prompt you to put it in off mode. Click that on, and now you have a live throttle.
On road, the Inertia acceleration is modest. Indicated top speed was in the low 60s, but the Brammo is meant for lower speed urban commutes in the 30 to 45 mile/hour range. While the quiet whir of the motor and ambient road sounds are unfamiliar, the handling is quite conventional on the Brammo. At 335 pounds, it's a full 57 pounds heavier than the Zero, but the Brammo's braking performance is much better, thanks to its 2-piston Brembo front brake. The Marzocchi fork and Elka shock also deliver improved performance compared with the Zero. With less stored energy at 3.1 kilowatt hours, the claimed 40-mile range is less than its competitor. Our observed range confirmed as much, with our range stats far more modest.
All right, so we've been out riding our Brammo Inertia. Now it's time to recharge. First thing you gotta do is switch it off, move the key down into the steering lock, and then into the charge mode. You then turn the bike back on, remove the key, it says charging enabled. Then you pop the seat, and there's a AC plug-in right here. Connect it, and that's it.
The biggest edge for the Brammo comes in design. The Inertia feels more polished, with a more refined fit and finish. At $7,995, the Brammo is also a full $2K less than the Zero. All told, the Inertia is a valiant first effort. Useful as a limited urban commuter, what the Inertia accomplishes most is our appetite to the potential of the next wave of electric development.